Hello. In this video you will see how Smartling works with WPML to push content quickly and easily to Smartling for translation without leaving WordPress, and automatically retrieves the translations once the process is complete. Here we have a page in WordPress that is ready for translation. The source language content has been completed, however the French section is currently empty. The item is found within the WPML plugin, and the relevant language is selected. The content is then added to the translation basket. Smartling is selected as the translator, and Send all items for translation is clicked, creating the translation job within Smartling. There is no need to do any manual file preparation for the content being translated. Smartling analyzes the job content to give you an instant cost estimate to allow you to make informed decisions. Only the new or changed content is placed into the job, which means there is no duplication of translation effort. You can select one or more workflows that each impact the estimate instantly on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the estimate, you can authorize the translation. When translations are completed, the user will be notified via email. If you want to be more involved in the process, you can open the translation tool and see what the translators see. A style guide is shown that helps the translators understand more about the project, content, tone of voice, and any linguistic conventions that should be followed. Visual context can be shown to allow the translator to see how the translations will be displayed. Any glossary terms are clearly shown, as well as translation memory matches. Quality assurance checks are shown in real time, allowing the translators to raise issues or address the problem before moving forward. All of these aspects come together to allow the translator to provide a high-quality translation on the first attempt. The progress of translation jobs can be seen directly within the Translation Job tab. Once the translation process is completed, the translations are pushed back to WordPress. This shows how you can quickly and easily trigger the translation process, complete the translation process within Smartling, and have the translation sent back to WPML. Thank you for your time.